Everybody, we got some news. Plus, I think the reason why prices are not moving is because everybody's holding on to their chairs saying, what are they going to say on Wednesday? I'm going to tell you things by the end of this video. I want to make sure everybody's on the same page because one, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy now, buying more Bitcoin. But it's much different than when they used to buy. Now they buy just a little bit of Bitcoin. Why? Plus, a bank decreasing by 60% their Ethereum target. What do you mean? Are they getting more bearish? From 10,000, 4,000 by the end of the year. Everybody take a look at this. I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page. Standard Chartered Bank cuts Ethereum year-end target, just posted right now, a couple minutes ago, from 10,000 to 4,000. What do you think? In my opinion, it makes it much easier for XRP to be the second by total market cap. I told you, fam, we already passed Ethereum in fully diluted value, right? And guess what? MicroStrategy acquires 130 more Bitcoins. With that being said, fam, drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, everybody. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome. It's a good Monday for all of us. I think we're expecting a lot. Some of us were just like, whatever happens, I'm in. I'm not going to sell, of course. But it should be an interesting week. We'll be live on Wednesday, so I'll see you there. We'll be live. We'll be here capturing the entire action, right? Because I told you before, during the weekend, we're getting a pause. We're getting a cut. Over 90% of the analysts are saying that we're going to get a pause from 4.25 to 450. In the cut, a lot of people are saying it's going to come till June FOMC. So March and May, pause. We don't know exactly if that's the case, but typically what the forecasters are saying is usually what happens. We just need that inflation to come down so they are more willing to keep cutting the rates, which is, as of right now, is QT. QT means quantitative tightening, right? And when they start cutting the rates, that is quantitative easing. They start letting it go. So, FY. Well, guys, Michael Saylor, as you see right now on the screen, he's been buying thousands of Bitcoin every single time he buys a bunch of Bitcoin, right? But right now, he decides to buy just 130. Which is about $10 million. $10 million, nothing, right, for him. And that position is the one that is positive because right now this guy has at least $2 billion holding a losing position. But then you keep scrolling down and obviously everything's green because the guy has been buying Bitcoin since $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, 40, 30, 40, 50s. You get my point. Oh, look, he sold. Didn't know he sold, actually. First time I see that he sold. Cool. He can do whatever he wants, right? The point is that they're trying to get more Bitcoin. They're obviously now maybe are either posting this because they don't want Ethereum to be acquired by retail and they just want it to be acquired by institutional investors. Obviously, guys, I mean, you take a look at this and they're like, no, just let it go. It's not going to do anything. It's going to dump. It's just trash. But institutionals and whales and manipulators always like to play dirty games with us, saying, don't pay attention to Ethereum, but they go in and they just pump the price much higher than expectations. That's one narrative, right? And you tell me in the comments what you think, of course. Because, I mean, we're basically at the bottom. Ethereum is 29% down in the last month. A lot of people, guys, my community, we don't really talk about Ethereum, right? But it's one of those coins, one of those projects that still is at the top when it comes to layer 2s, when it comes to DeFi and smart contracts, right? So I'm still hold up, a few Ethereums. Why not? But I'm going all in other different projects, and you guys already know. If you guys want to get 500x positions, longs, shorts, whatever you're into, click the first link down below and join me on BTCC, fam. You got all my information, where you can sign up, start trading. There's my code. Sign up in a few seconds. No VPN, no KYC. And learn, little by little. Open up a paper account, completely fictional money. When you're ready, come here and start trading. You got a bunch of bonuses and more. So, FYI. Earlier today, we have some pretty good news from Binance. Just in, Binance announcing 0% trading fees on Binance Wallet until September. So Binance is like, we have a lot of money, we can do this. The fact not charging any trading fees is great. I cannot, sadly, because I live in the US, I think I cannot use it. Binance Wallet kind of sounds something decentralized, so I'll check it out. But if it's the Binance exchange, we cannot use it here in the US. Sad but true, right? But it's good. It's good. They're always Binance Wallet enjoys 0 trading fees when swapping on Binance Wallet. That's good, man. I mean, they understand the market, right? So, guys, what we're expecting, and I'm going to do it here, right? You're going to see how FOMC, the big week that everybody's waiting for, right? Bullish, bearish. So, pause on the 14th, 3 days ago, right? So, in pretty old videos. Fed decision in March. And what a lot of people are saying is no change. This post was made on the 16th. So, that's yesterday, right? So, we'll announce the interest rate decision with markets expecting no change. So poly market prediction users 99%. The Fed dot plot will signal 3 cuts bullish, 2 cuts neutral, or fewer risk off, right? So, which I knew. He has to say something about how many cuts. We have to be listening carefully, guys. Maybe some insiders will get some info, but if not, it's just gonna go down to Wednesday, and the prices of everything are, like I told you at the very beginning, holding on to okay, because nobody wants to buy big, nobody wants to sell big. They're waiting for this major week that crypto holders, listen closely, you cannot miss. You're gonna start to see a bunch of volatility. Could be good, could be bad. I think people are already expecting that it's going to be bad and we're going to go much lower because that's what the market it's been over the last couple of weeks. And I get it, man. Blood on the streets, that's what people are into nowadays. But, little by little, you're going to see why they keep buying Bitcoin and why I think it's just a good strategy not to think for the long-term future of all of our coins. Right now, just to give you a good overview, 2.72 trillion. The winners cake, some Binance coins, which is good. Chronos doing decent, 40%, not bad. And the losers, not many, not many. Just Pi, it's been up a while, so it's really nice. There you have it, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. You've been updated with the latest. It's going to be a good one. And we'll be here keeping you to know every step of the way. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.